Hey everybody, TJ Schwartz here with Montana Drone Company, and today I'm out here at Edgewater Farms. Nancy and her husband were nice enough to let me come out and film this awesome place. If you guys haven't been, be sure to swing by. They've been doing it for a few years now, and what an awesome event it is. They've got a couple corn mazes, some tabletop games to play, even bowling, a giant slide, all kinds of awesome attractions for the whole family. The thing I was most excited about though was capturing the design from the air. You know, drones offer this really unique aerial perspective. What better opportunity for a drone than a giant corn maze and capturing the design from the air? I was able to come down during sunset, and Edgewater Farms just happens to be located on a beautiful spot near the river. It's a really pretty location, so even if you're not enjoying all the attractions, there's plenty to look at. We at Montana Drone Company love partnering with our community members. Nancy's already suggested that we come back next year to film their tractor pull, so we're more than excited to do that. So if you have a community event that you'd like us to highlight, be sure to let us know in the comments. We really appreciate you guys liking, sharing, commenting on our monthly photo contest. As always, thanks for watching, and if you haven't been out to Edgewater Farms, come pick up a pumpkin, go down the giant slide, get lost in the corn maze. Just make sure to get here before October 30th when their season ends. Thanks everybody. Awesome!